Namaste. My name is Sarita, and today I like to show you how to use your mala, how to wear your mala, and how to purify your mala or cleanse your mala, and what happens when your mala break, and how to meditate with the mala. So first things I like to show, these are called mala. Ma means unconditional love. La means a garland. So mala means love of garland. So they look like this. Has a guru bead and tassel. And so these mala has 108 beads. And to use your mala, you want to put your tassel on your palm, like in your palm right here. And we call it the middle finger. We call it sky, and thumb we'll call it earth. So you have an earth and sky together like this, and you want to put your mala right after the guru beads and put it right there like this, and each bead you want to pull towards you like this, like that, and you can say a mantra, any mantra. You can do Om Namah Shivaya, or you can do Om Shrim, or whatever desire you have to work on it. You can say a mantra. You're not supposed to touch your mala with your index finger. Index finger, we call it ego finger. We also call it ego, meaning like, some people said, I do meditate 40 minutes a day, every day, however, like that's ego. So not touching from your index finger. So I'm going to show you how to do the mantra. So if I do Om Shrim, so I go Om Shrim, Om Shrim, Om Shrim. So you do the mantra for each one, and you do the mantra for each one, and going fast forward. So going like this, and if you are right in here, and you go Om Shrim and Om Shrim. So if you want to do more mantra, you have to give the mala to your earth and take it back again. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time. You are right here, and you are coming to the end of your mala. You are doing mantra, and you are right there. This is your last one. If you like to do more mantra, then you have to give it to earth like this and take it back like that, and you do again. So you don't cross it. You don't go, I'm going to do, you don't go like, oh, I'm going to do again and again like that. You can't cross it. The reason is for that. This is called guru beads. Guru means teacher, and guru means parents. So no matter how smart you are, you don't cross your guru beads, and you don't cross your teacher. So that's why. And that's why every time you do a mala, a meditation, you go up to here, give it to earth, and take back again. And now you can start from here and pull towards your body again. And so this mala actually has a little bit of I call it a divider or little spacer or something. And the reason is that each mala is totally different. The one mala I'm wearing has no tassel, but it has a little bit of a pendant on them, so I know where to finish my mantra, and I do have that. And so each mala has a little bit different. And so reason for that is sometimes I do one Ganesh mantra up to here, and a 27. This is like 27 up to here, and I do Lakshmi mantra of 27, and then you can do Shiva mantra for 27, and you can do Durga mantra for 27, however you like. So sometimes I divide up that. You don't have to. And this is the way to do meditation with a mala. A lot of time when we meditate, it's so hard to it doesn't have to be concentrate or focus. It's a natural. But when you do mantra, when it's sound coming from you, and you can hear it. So it's creating a vibration in your life to do meditation. And that's why the mala is you are touching the beads and working on it. And usually I hold it in my other hand like this, and I put it like very relaxed and sit in a lotus position, and just kind of usually I close my eyes and I face it to east side. The reason it's east side facing, it's a sunrise from east side, and a lot of energy comes from east. So I always do from east side, and so that's the meditation. And you can do so many ways doing meditation and all that, but this is just a very simple technique for meditation and simple way to meditate. So that's the how to use mala. There's so many technique, and I'll be talking more in the future. So I just wanted to show you. Now I'm gonna show how to wear your mala. You can wear your mala as a necklace, just like this. Wear as a necklace like that, right? Put a tassel on the front. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to wear your mala on your wrist. You always want to wear left side. Left is a moon energy for receiving. Right is a sun energy for giving. So you want to wear as a left side as possible. You put the tassel first, just like that. And every time you put a mala, have a clockwise, putting intention to it, what you want to do. And you put it on like this. So your mala is a little, if you go around, it's too big. See, so it's not going to go one more time. So I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to twist once, twist twice, and twist 3 times. You can twist 3 times. So I'm going to put this is long now. So I'm going to put this on top of my tassel, and I'm going to pull this another one per tassel, and I'm going to put one more per tassel. You don't have to put all of it, but sometimes I like to put all of it just to make my mala a little tighter on me. So tassel has to be underneath of it, and you will see a little bulky here. You will get kind of softer, and the reason tassel is underneath of all the beads, so all the energy pull towards your body, towards your heart, and that's why you put it on the left side of your wrist, and which is moon energy for receiving. So it's allowed to receive the energy what you need. So it looks like that. I'm going to talk about what happens if your mala break. If your mala break, just like that, or anywhere in your mala, and then all your intention that you've been working on, it will be resolved in any way, any form, or any things that, or you will get over it. That means you've been, whatever you are working on it, it got over it. So you can always cut it for each bead and restring them, retying them. And if you say, no, I don't want to wear this mala anymore, because I don't want to make them, then you can give it to earth. Giving earth is, I always put it around in my plants, around my trees, or somewhere, but you are not supposed to throw away in a trash, or you cannot throw away anywhere on the floor, because this is a mala. You put it on your body, and the heat from your body, oil from your body, energy from your body, it's already touched the mala, the stone, and that's why it has your energy. So you're not supposed to just destroy them, but you can always respect them, and you put it around the trees, or I usually put it around my plants and leave around, or you can make it again. To make it again, you just have to cut each bead, and every time you cut it, we'll call it cutting through the darkness, cutting through all the things you've been working on, and so you can cut it and restring and remake them too. And so it has a knot, so you're never gonna lose all the beads anyway. So you can always remake them. All right, thank you. Prayermala.com, and it's available at Tibet Imports, 709 East 6th Avenue, Denver, Colorado.